So, hi YouTube, it's your girl Shauna, my friend Sammy Jo doing the chicken nugget challenge with me. We'll see if we can do it. I'm red as a tomato because I've been swimming the past 2 days. We're going to open our sauces.
And how are you going to do it?
We're going to eat it.
How would y'all eat all that?
We have to try and eat it in 10 minutes.
Or the challenge will be over?
Yeah. Or we'll lose.
1. I count to 2. Y'all are finished done. And if I count to 1, you're out.
Really? So while we're waiting, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and give us some challenges or pranks that you want us to do, and we'll do it. You're like not in the camera. Stop. Hi, you ready?
I want to watch it.
I'm gonna like open my drink.
Better
Okay,
watch
so you have
it.
to like, are you doing the stopwatch? Okay.
Put on 18 minutes.
So we have our 10 minutes right here. Okay, you ready? Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's hard to swallow it.
I can swallow it when I'm not chewing it. I can swallow it. I can do this, and it goes like. If I swallow it and not chew it, look what I found.
Oh yeah.
Huh? No, this is.
I'm only on 2.
What?
It's what I have. One of these.
Yummy.
Hey, there's a family bingo at Chick-fil-A.
No shit.
There's a family bingo at Chick-fil-A. It's a family bingo. You can play this side and this side, and this side and this side.
And that's fun, right?
But I didn't want to play because it's too hard.
That's not hard.
Wait, where's the bingo?
That one was hot. Like really hot.
What hotness?
Super hotness.
What kind of hot?
Get it, baby.
I'm never doing a challenge like this again. I'm never doing a challenge like this again.
Why?
Because we're going to lose.
I'm gaining a lot of weight.
I already lost a lot of weight because I was eating that hot dog.
Oh yeah.
You heard that? Look, it's like a cannon. Look, I'm not even moving.
I see your foot.
But look.
Just get my foot in there.
There's a ghost, and you can never see.
Look, we made a dent.
Over here.
We think there's a ghost doing it.
Oh no, what is that?
Oh, that's me.
Oh, okay.
Is this Hyatt Ghost? Is that the name of Hyatt Ghost?
It's hot. Nuts.
Nothing.
Peanut.
I got the color one.
I'm so full. Mm. Bad idea.
Shit.
Definitely a bad idea. I better get a lot of likes for this and a lot of subscribers.
Alright, and I'm sure I never When the chocolate part coming off.
Eat it, bunny. Just eat it.
Oh man, we have almost 5 minutes left. 4:50. We haven't made a big enough dent. We're not gonna do it.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. Dude, it was like this high.
Come here. Titty shot.
Look at my.
I'm gonna regret this later.
I can eat it like this. Spin.
Oh man, bad. I bet there's still like 50 there.
Mm-hmm.
I can make this sound, but my mouth is open.
Mm.
Hey, the guy right next to us told us there was a cat that jumped in our car.
Mm-hmm.
See? Saw that? Oh, I just did this and then it flied.
I don't know if I could put another one in my mouth. Like, if I do, I'm gonna throw it up.
I can eat. Oh, those can bring it off.
I'm gonna do it.
I feel
I'm like so full. Ugh.
my nose is hurting. Now,
Don't make me laugh because my face gets redder than it already is. I'm pretty sure our time's like almost up.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
We have a minute left. A minute.
16, 18, 8, 17, 16, 18, 2000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, but like, look at our stack. It was like up to here when we started, and it's all the way to here.
Yeah.
Okay, so our time's up.
Yeah.
And there's like 50 left.
Worst challenge ever. Like, no joke. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52,
left.
54 that we did not eat. I think we did good for eating half of them. Seriously, who finishes this challenge? Like,
And
everyone that I know that has done it
20 pounds.
has only
I
freaking
can
done
eat the
half.
whole thing.
You can eat all this?
You can eat all 54?
Alright, get on it.
Okay, so be sure and give this video like 50,000 likes and subscribe down below.
But I can eat.
And tell us what challenges and pranks to do. I'll do a prank on her. I'll get her good, but then maybe she might get me back.
Okay.
But it'd be fun. Bye.